Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by checking essentials so you can act immediately. Make sure your Discord app is updated and your internet is stable, because outdated clients or flaky networks often block emoji uploads. Next, confirm you have managed emoji or admin permissions on the server. Without them, you can't fix server-side emoji. Finally, identify the failure type: upload error, reaction issue, or display problem. Once these basics are done, you're ready to dive into the settings that control emoji behavior and file rules. Now you act on the middle steps that actually resolve most issues. Resize or convert the image so it's under 256 KB and saved as PNG, JPEG, or WebP. Discord rejects oversized or unsupported formats, so this matters. Upload through server settings right arrow emoji and assign a concise name, because naming conflicts block reactions. Then inspect role and channel permissions. Ensure members can use external emojis and that no slow mode or restricted channel is preventing reactions. Once done, test the emoji. Finish by validating across environments so you're sure the problem is truly fixed. Clear Discord's cache or restart the app, because cached errors persist otherwise. If issues remain, try the browser client to isolate desktop client problems. Log out and back in to refresh permissions and session tokens. If Nitro-only emoji aren't working, double-check your Nitro subscription and the server's boost status. If everyone else sees it but you don't, look for local blockers like AdBlock, VPN, or operating system emoji.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.